Good morning everyone, welcome to another video. Today is a good day because today we're gonna go to Peak District. Oh, it's gonna be exciting, and this is Vic.
Hi there guys.
Hey,
Hi.
and Vic is a Malaysian that's working here, and he's been staying in Solihull. This place is so amazing, it's so posh guys. So totally not me. And we went to his house yesterday.
Yeah.
So beautiful guys, so huge.
Let's make a move.
Let's go. Hey guys, so we arrived. This is Peak District. It's so beautiful. The drive here just now took about 2 hours from Solihull. Throughout the way we don't see much, but when we got into Peak District it starts to get really amazing. You see all these like huge cliffs, beautiful green landscape all around you. It's so beautiful, it's so picturesque. And I think if you live here, there's actually a town somewhere around here. If you live here, it's gonna be probably the best place for you to live. If you wake up in the morning, you see this kind of view every day, it's amazing. Yeah, and we're quite late. We're supposed to hike at 9 AM, so there will be about 19 of us, mostly from Southeast Asia. Yeah, it's gonna get exciting. I'm gonna introduce you to the rest of the group, so let's go.
We are here,
Yeah.
we need to go here, okay? So the best route, I've been told, is Route 6, that's not so steep. So Route 6 is this one that goes all the way here. I mean, once we reach the peak, we don't have to follow this all the way back. We can like cut through different small routes back. The whole route, technically if you follow the entire thing, is 6 hours, but that's a very generous estimate according to the visitor center.
Okay.
So that's what we're gonna do. So just follow number 6, we'll be fine.
Lead the way.
Lead the way.
Doing a video.
Guys, I think we're almost at the start of the trail. We've been trying to look for the start of the trail for quite some time, but I think this is it. And look at that guys, it's a valley.
We're going there.
We're not going there? But look at that, it's so amazing, so beautiful. Okay, let's go closer. So Ernest, what do you think? Is this the right way?
This is the way to a valley, and apparently there's very nice picture opportunities.
Oh wow, yeah.
So depending on what we want, then we can always turn back and go back the other way. So we're still going up the peak.
Okay.
Eventually.
Yeah. And that's the route to the peak, right?
Yeah, the fastest route to the peak.
Oh wow.
I don't know.
Oh my.
to me, it's short-term pain for long-term gain. Go like really short and reach the top.
Okay guys, I found a cave. So I guess we're gonna chill here for the rest of the day. Well, it goes deeper guys. Wow. Oh my god, that's scary. Yeah, it is quite. It's a suicide cave.
Suicide?
Yeah. Oh, is that? Oh, I can see the view from there apparently. There, where she is. Yeah, apparently the weather kind of changed on us. It's now a bit cloudy. Just now it was all sunny and bright and blue. Now we get low light condition. Yeah. Alright, apparently there's a good view from there, so we're gonna go. This is so nice. Oh, the wind is so strong, guys. But we are at the top, and this is the, what is the peak called again? Mam Tor? Yeah, I have to switch to another microphone, which is this lavalier mic, because with the wind being so strong, you probably can't hear anything I said for the past few minutes. Sorry about that. We're a bit slightly fortunate with the weather. I mean, it keeps changing all the time, right? Like you can see it's cloudy, but it gets sunny occasionally. Like you can see that it's sunny over there, which is nice. And just because you're at the peak, it's not the end of the trip yet, because you can actually go through, like you can actually go through the ridge all the way there. You can see the trail is very well marked, right? I think it's because of so many humans walking through it for the past few years. We're not gonna go through all the ridges because we probably don't have the time. So we're probably gonna just cut right over there and then go back to our car park, which is over there. The hike is good. Amalia, what do you feel? Is the hike good?
Yeah, it's good. It's a good warm-up before our next hike. Where is it?
Yeah, we're gonna hike Ben Nevis next. That will be next weekend, and that's gonna be in Scotland. Pretty excited. If you're wondering about the giveaway, that's gonna be announced after Scotland. Yeah, probably after the Scotland video. So stay tuned, guys. But yeah, what a privilege to be able to hike in Peak District. I think Peak District is really, really beautiful. A lot of people will say Lake District is nicer. So I'm not sure. We haven't been to Lake District yet. Oh my god, the wind. But so far, Peak District, amazing. Love it. Oh, so Mike, how was the hike so far?
Good.
Good.
Surviving.
Surviving. Yeah, and we're actually going down already, so not much effort needed. Mike is actually my good friend in high school, probably best friend.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, but Mike probably don't consider me his best friend.
No.
But yeah, he's a smart guy in our class, and so he's a doctor in UK. Don't be like me, guys. Be like him.
No. We all got to the same place at the end.
Yes.
Peak District.
Peak District.
2019.
Yeah, we can do it too. The C student can do it too.
Oh, the back.
This is an awesome restaurant because look at the view. Oh wow. Good weather to eat outside, right? Yep. Oh, I hate doing this. Usually when I do this, it means I already ran out of stories. But basically, I decided to end the vlog by now because there's not much story after that. It's just we went to Derby and then we hung out together as friends. Like really cool, it was so fun. But it is not something that you guys would enjoy watching. So yeah, so I decided to cut that out completely. But yeah, it was a great hike all through Peak District. I'm a bit slightly sick right now, so I'm a bit worried because tomorrow is Ben Nevis Day. So I'm not sure whether I will be in my 100% capacity climbing that mountain. It's gonna be the highest mountain in UK. So hopefully wish me well, and yeah, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you dislike the video, give it a thumbs down. And as always, don't forget to subscribe. Choose life, choose adventure. Don't forget me.